In honor of the 40th anniversary of the first manned lunar landing, I'll feature Earth's only natural satellite, the Moon, for the month of July.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
NASA astronaut Neil Armstrong spoke those famous words on July 20, 1969, as he and fellow astronaut Edwin Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the lunar surface. While you and I will likely never know the thrill of actually touching the moon's surface, we can observe it up close using binoculars and telescopes. In fact, with its vast system of craters, plains, and mountain ranges, we could spend countless enjoyable hours exploring the lunar surface. Each phase of the moon offers something special. With the fuller moon, greater illumination means more surface area to investigate. As the moon waxes and wanes, less illumination offers greater contrast to lunar features, especially those along the terminator, that line where light meets dark. Knowing what you are looking at is always more fun than simply looking, so exactly where and what should you explore when observing the moon? For where to look, I recommend starting with one of the free online lunar charts or atlases, and I can give you a start with what to explore. Craters, recognizable as brighter circular features, were formed by impacts from asteroids and comets. Plains, also known as maria, are those dark, splotchy regions. Maria means seas, which is exactly what original observers once thought these ancient lava flows were. Mountain ranges look like elongated ridges. Because of the moon's low gravity and lack of erosion, lunar mountains can be very tall and especially steep and rugged. Since this month does mark that 40th anniversary of the first humans on the moon, why not observe those regions where Apollo astronauts have landed? That very first manned landing, Apollo 11 in 1969, touched down in the Sea of Tranquility. 4 months later, Apollo 12 landed a few hundred kilometers west in the Ocean of Storms. The last manned lunar mission occurred in 1972, with Apollo 17 landing at the Sea of Serenity. Whenever, wherever, and however you observe the moon, be safe and be comfortable. Try keeping a journal for notes about, and even sketches of, what you see. And don't forget to check my blog entries for lunar observing tips, information about the 6 manned lunar missions, and where you can get free lunar maps. Be sure to join me next month for another edition of Our Night Sky. I'm Tabby Greiner for Astrocast.tv.